Creating a Vercel account is a straightforward process that allows you to deploy and manage web projects easily. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a Vercel account. Visit Vercel's website. Navigate to Vercel in your web browser. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page. Choose a sign-up method. Vercel allows you to sign up using various methods such as email and password, Google, GitHub. Provide details. After selecting your preferred method, provide the necessary details such as your name, organization, personal or work email address. Verify email. If you sign up with an email address, Vercel will send a verification email. Open the email and click on the verification link to complete the process. Set up additional settings. Once your account is verified, log in and you may be prompted to connect your GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket account to sync your repositories for deployments. Create your first project. After logging in, click on New Project and import the repository from GitHub, GitLab or another supported source. Deploy your project. Vercel will automatically build and deploy your project using a simple, serverless environment.